updated, please check it on the map.
Alright, Minnesota Automotive back again. And today we are working on a 2007 Subaru Outback with taillight problems. So, here's the car. I got the lenses out, and the customer complaint states that he's got no taillights, no rear driving lights, no brake lights, and we don't even know if the backup lights work. He replaced the bulbs. Some of the bulbs are old and smoked. He's got to replace all those. He just asked me to trace down the problem. He just wants the brake lights working for now so he can drive it. So I started testing at the bulbs, and I was going to follow the wiring harness all the way through the car, but I decided, let's just check the fuses. And the customer stated he replaced fuses, or he thought he checked them. So I went in the engine. I found one 20 amp blown fuse there. And then I come in here and I find this fuse right there, 20 amp. Right there where it says stop. Stop, 20 amp right there. And that was blown. So now, I didn't have any fuses. I must have used all mine. And we were also going to look at the brake pedal switch to see if that was it, because he had to tear apart his console there to get it into gear. So he's got that torn apart. He just wants me to diagnose, and he'll put everything back together. So I found one blown 20 amp fuse in the engine bay. I replaced that. Luckily there was one in the box up front, but I'm getting more fuses from him. He's bringing me just a hodgepodge of fuses later on today, and I think we just need to go through fuses and start replacing, because this car has other problems like lean on bank 1, lean on bank 2. Thing smells like it burns oil. It says oxygen sensors aren't functioning properly. It had a whole laundry list of codes that I checked, and I will check again. But hopefully, YouTube, this Subaru Outback, hopefully we can get her going. Like I said, she's a 2007, and this guy pretty much just uses it as a work vehicle because it gets better gas mileage than his pickup. So stay tuned, and if you like the video, like and subscribe. I don't know if I'll have more after this video or not. Talk to you later, YouTube. Minnesota Automotive. Bye.